Hello guys, what's up? So right now you see what I'm doing. I am playing Grow a Garden with Master Sprinkler, trowels, godly, cleaning spray, trading tickets, favorite tools, an advanced sprinkler, and the shovel that we use to destroy plants. Let's see which plants are we gonna destroy.
Destroy!
Don't worry, we're not gonna destroy that much. So let me see his. Oh god. Oh my god. How much? 400 million. 100 million. Lilac. Holy. How much is this football? Oh my god, 61 million. It is about what? Shock, wind struck, frozen corrupt. No way, bro. Oh, he left. Oh, then somebody else joined. Ooh, with a even gooder garden. Ouch!
Okay, good.
Let's see. Oh, mango. Cool.
Oh! I don't want this.
Let me see. Nothing good is in stock. Let me see where. My mango seed. Okay, now let's wait. Man, I need to only. This is my only choice but to use my godly sprinkler. I am so sorry. Yes. Dude, this is my only godly sprinkler. Ouch. Master sprinkler is better. To be honest. See, look at the master sprinkler. See, it's hurrying up. It's like speeding up. And later I'm gonna add my master sprinkler. Let's see how much. Nope. 365 or 360 shekels. Holy. Come here, Thunder. Come here. No, the Thunder event. Aww. Dude, what was that? No way. A blueberry?
Oh my god.
Oh, but at least somebody liked my garden. Please, guys, like my garden. Just put your names in the comments if you want one of my ember lilies and my burning bud. Huh? You can't close the door. Close the door. So as you can see, right now we are playing Grow a Garden, right? As you can see it, right? And then, a shock beanstalk. Okay, as you can see, it's 3 million. I'm a billionaire, bro. As you can see, if you want one of my burning buds or one of my elderly strawberry seeds and my giant pinecone seeds, leave a like and comment, subscribe and put your name down on the comments. Okay. I see. Oh God. As you can see, look at the. Oh my God, there's thunderstorm. And as you can see right now, I am trying. As you can see right now, this is my garden. Look, when I press garden, look, this is my garden. This is told you na, stop!
There! Stop it.
Lamigin, pick up your toys.
I told you not to. Anyways, look at my garden. Is it good? If it's good, leave a like and subscribe. If you don't like it, ignore it.
No.
If you love Jesus, leave a like and subscribe. What? Anyways, look. See my garden,
What?
and I'm gonna be a white. So I'm gonna be AFK for a second.
Say, make it.
I'm gonna be
Okay.
AFK for a second. Okay. Now just. I said stop!
Huwag mo tuloyin si Kuya Miguel.
Ano na, I will not call Ate Kate na.
Let's go to my seeds.
Hindi ka na namin talaga bati.
As you can
You're
see,
makulit.
right now we have the godly sprinkler that we're using on my mango seeds.
Si Ate Kate.
And see, look, I have some good stuff. I have like, dude, look, like look at my garden. It's too good, and I have really I have pine cone seeds. I have elderly strawberry seeds. No, there's no way anybody could leave my garden. But if you like my garden, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll give you my beanstalk.
What lips daw? And then, tita Sticky ang tapat.
Yung is Ate Kate na sleeping.
Dito yung Ate Kate in her sleep.
Maybe yung whisper.
Wala, yung Ate Kate.
Yung is Ate Kate in the day.
Oh, dapat daw na daw. Saan ka ba, tita? Ang gulo mo naman. Lalo yung mga kita sa pre, punta ka naman ng punta.
Okay, as you can see, I
Kiss daw, Ate Kate. Oh, kiss daw.
3 billion, 3
Oh, may ubat talaga.
636,363. So,
Malaki na siya.
where's snow? Wheels! So you can see, I am playing in my aunt's phone. I'll just leave the game for a sec. Wait, let me see. Then I'll put join.
I drive the car.
Hurry up! Come on! Yeah.
No, not there. Ate Kate's house not there. Oh, it's malayo.
Oh,
dad. I talk to your dad.
Oh, sabi mo si Tito. Oh, where's your dad daw? Where's Tito daw? Oh, at work daw. Si kay tita ka
Sa
magpaalam.
mami mo na lang. Sabihin mo. Where's your mom?
Sabihin mo, ay, magpaalam na lang kay tita.
There you go. I'm AFK right now. So let
Where's
me
your
just
mom?
let me just get this thing.
Oh, sabihin mo, where's your mom?
Get it. Let me just accept it. Die. What else? Whatever.
No, her dad, not our dad. O, yung paalam na lang kay tita.
Seems
Mom?
Sabi mo, tita, ate can go here. Her. Ate Snow.
Itanong mo na.
holy. Since my auntie is poor tita, I should decide. I should get Mabi stuck out.
Yo, kumagot ka.
Look, you have 5 million coins. 5 million shekels. Cause I gave you beanstalk. That's worth 3 million. Go to my auntie garden. Should I get my burn bud? Sure. Sure you have to get my burn bud. This is your one choice. Should I? Dude, this sucks. But it's okay. Dude, what is this guy doing?
How much na daw?
Yo, what did I just do, bro? Something magical? Aww. Let's go to my garden. Should I give my auntie one? Where's my Come on, give me something good. Since my auntie doesn't have a burning bud. Time. It's time. It's time. I should check. What? Why is this not chocolate? Just. Bro, why do I not even
Ay,
get.
ate daw.
Wait, what's that? I don't care. Dude, why don't I get a mutation spray?
No, that's tita.
Like some.
It's tita, wait.
Like any.
Yo, yan na.
Dude, the Grandmaster. Boost pets. That's 10 minutes. No way, bro. Grandmaster. There is no way that I never get this. But anyways, let's go to my pets. What's up, Raffle?
Guys, you come here.
Yo, can you show me the egg shop?
You come here. Oh, may kinipalan daw kay tita.
Oh my god, why do you just give me my pills?
Ay, ano ako aso?
Anyways, let me go to my cosmetics and crafting.
Pinig ko yung phone, ha?
No! Ulangot!
Oh, I'm charging. It's so bad.
Ew.
Yung akin na.
Give me. Your nail.
Plus, ate, yung chicken.
Okay, now I'm gonna buy this
Yeah.
round metal albarar.
Better that's much
Color.
allergic to other chicken. Ang pogi niya daw, oh. Wala yung chocolate daw. Bakit mo na daw? Punasan mo yan. Bilis.
Okay.
Bilis.
Don't go, okay? Don't
What
press
you
it.
doing?
What's the
What you doing? You will go? When? I thought you don't go. Oh, yeah, I can hear my name.
Don't let it go now.
See, you just go here. It's too easy. Can't go there.
Pin mo muna. Para kausapin ka natin. Sabi mo, wait lang, titin, naglilay ko lang ng okay? Para makubango ako.
I want to drink
Oh,
water.
sige, go to ate, go to ate.
I want to drink water.
Panis ka may kaka. Kala mo siya na yung may
Done. Look at this, bro. Let me go. Wait. Let me go back to my. Let me go back to my.
Bye.
No Wi-Fi.
nagamit ako. No, 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 no. Oh,
It's my birthday. Okay, nag-birthday. Nakatikin mo. Hindi kasi ganyan daw. What's your ears? Yung pangit. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Flower na.
Huh?
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye na, Ate Kate.
ay, hindi ka na nabatin nila ate. You don't like to take a bath. Ate Kate na love you na.
Good enough.
Okay yung
Finally. Let's go to work. What? Let's go to work. Let's go to work. Go with me, bro. Go with me, bro. Let's go with me. Let's go with me, bro.
Ano po talaga ito?
Let's go with me, bro. No, get out of here. Get out of here.
O, tita. Friend ko kasi, tita. Ayun ang problema.
No, 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 I'm going Roblox. I'm going to go garden. And then go up. Go. Stand here. And go to sections. Okay, go down.
Now, this is the spot.
Sobrang bukas. Yo!
Go. Go down, go.
May di ba alam siya?
Okay. Center
Yan.
Ano yan?
Ano yan? Ipis yan o. Tukol niya. Yo!
Please, can you help?
Kasi,
Can you help me? Please.
asa na yung suklay doon sa'yo may tukol?
Please, can you
Ikaw
help
kasi.
me? Please. Go down. Go, please. Please, give me some Robux.
Maglagay ka na sa mukha mo para kumako ka lalo.
Whoa!
Mr. Sun.
Yo, this is nice.
Oh, Mr. Sun.
Yes.
Where is the sun?
Mr. Sun. I do.
Ha? Gawin mo ako, ate.
Ginagamit ni tita eh. Napaka-ano talaga eh.
Can you please give me
Pag hindi mo
some?
ginet-get na na ito, tatawagin ko yung spider. Andali. Ayaw ko nanimigay yung suklay ko. Andali. Tatawagin ko yung spider.
Please, can you give me a dog?
Yet may suklay, magsusuklay ako. Ha?
You!
Ate Kate, tignan mo yung attitude ni Mikel, oh. Bad, oh. Ay.
Robux.
So bad. Very, very bad. Ate Kate, yun. Ate Kate, yun naman.
Okay. Please give me my garden. Please give me my garden, bro. Please give me my garden, bro.
Yes, sir.
you're so busy.
Of course, because I'm playing Grow a Garden.
Doggy? Okay. I can't see a Butchman! And baby boy, bro.
What's available?
And this, and baby boy, here the a new one. Okay, boy. No, wait, don't get it. Put the block there. Put the block there,
Sige,
bro.
kinik niya na yung Roblox pag nabili yan.
That's right.
Ligo ka. Maligo ka muna doon. Ay, ate Kate,
I wanna
ang
make
bago talaga
this
ni
good.
Miguel. Ayaw
Where
mo.
how you make this iko?
Eh.
Huh?
Ano to? Bakit may ano ganito dito? Ano ba rin lapis?
Oh, you don't know.
I know where. With your mom. Your mom is using that one. Mom, give it properly, ah.
Mm. Ano ba yan?
Hey. Bakit makinig ka ba? Isa pa na kung yun.
Tingnan niya.
Nakuha mo ng bahay mo.
Kate, room tour daw. Room tour.
Ano ko na yung snow? Saan kayo natutulog yun, ate?
Sa taas.
Sa taas?
That's her bed.
Where's the open? Where's the open?
Ikaw.
Asan namin?
Tita's outside in the kusina. Right?
Where's the phone? Where's the phone?
Maligo. Ay, sabi ko maligo muna eh. Ay,
Ate Kitty pa na yung kusina.
oo, ang baho ng puwet.
Sobrang bago ni Mickey.
Be, tigilan mo nga yan. Ito talaga makakatawa. Ano ba niya ayaw pa niya itapon niya?
Parang ewan!
So, sample yan pumasok sa mata namin. Makadisgrasya ka pa talaga. Talaga. Sige.
Si Omicron lang dito. Si
Baho pag lumabas sa cellphone yung
Baho, right?
Oo, lalabas sa cellphone yung shower na monster. Hindi siya naligo.
Very bago. Watching.
Nakapaniya kay Ate Pete. Ate Pete, nakapaniya.
Pinod was in bed.
Ano kaya kung may picture, no?
Huwag kumain.
Hindi nga ako kumakain masyado. Pero malaki pa rin yung choco.
I don't know. You ask Peaches pa yan. Tita, akin na to ah.
Pero, ikaw na ng cellphone.
Akin na to ah. What? No? Dapat magkaiba sila ng what? I don't know.
Ano daw?
Dati makinig ka. Ano mo po nakakita bukas kasi?
Sabi siya.
Ano oras po? Ah,
Ano na ako? Miguel,
Yeah.
sleep na. Tomorrow we're going to Philippines. Yala, tama na yung kaitikan dyan. Natin ka na. Sige na. Miguel, good night. Yan, gati-gati ka na. Ayaw mo maligo eh. Sige na.
Kasi nakikisama.
see?
Ay, wala yung hindi ko
Colorful.
Hindi ko makita eh.
Then, malaki.
Okay.
Give me.
Why?
Then, oh, done.
Sa board yung mataba. Order kayo paano nakikita ko. Sa stairs.
Sabi mo, ma'am, can Ate Kate go here, ma'am?
Nagsisip ko, alam ka na.
Because I miss Ate.
Yung astito lang.
Tita,
Hindi nakausap ka.
Ano kausap ka nino? Mama niya.
tita, do you want a master sprinkler?
Nakausap ka ko. Wala, bigyan. Ate Kito. Uy.
Tita,
Ate Kate,
look. Look what I'm showing you.
paano mo, ma'am?
Look.
Paalam. No.
Look what I'm showing you.
Ma'am?
Look what I'm showing you.
Iya.
Look what I'm showing you. A master sprinkler. I'm showing you a master.
Ate Kate.
Give me all your shekels. I'll pay you. I'll pay you
How?
1 rainbow wet strawberry.
Paano ka kukunin to?
Wait. Wait. Come here. Accept it. Now what? Okay, now give me all your money.
Paano?
By just pressing shekels.
Ha?
By just pressing shekels.
Yes! Bibigay mo lahat sa pera sa kanya.
Paano?
Go to add shekels. You see the one saying add shekels?
Ah.
That's the one where you're gonna give me it. Let me see my fruits, let me see my pet. Let me see.
May unan. Sakit ng ulo ko. Ano na, kuya?
Wait. Oh, wait, give me that for a sec.
Okay, then. Be, alam mo na papunta Pasig? Tapos, magta-taxi?
At tita, you're giving me all my shekels. You're giving me all your shekels. Is that okay for you? Sure. Okay. Just you know. Here. There, you're done. Oh, confirm mo.
Tapos, anong pinalit?
Put it down. Put the dog down. Press down. Press the dirt.
Ay, nagpinas ko na.
Oh, now if you have another one, press the dirt again.
Isa lang yun.
Hindi. Tatlo yun.
Isa lang.
Ah. Give me that. See your. Oh, ano to? Ano to?
Kinuha ko nga yung 5
Oh, done.
See?
See?
Kinuha niya yung 5 million ko, be.
It's 5.9, right? 5.9? You want me to give it back? Sure, bet.
Namumula na naman itong kapagano.
Tignan mo! 0 seconds!
Okay lang yun, sa'yo na yan. Hindi naman ako naglalaro.
Don't worry, just don't give up.
It's okay.
I'm gonna give you one last fruit.
No, it's okay. Okay na yung mga dog dito.
You sure?
Yeah.
You need shekels, you know. Because if you don't have shekels, you can't afford anything.
It's okay.
Okay, whatever you say.
Okay.
Okay. I already said okay. I was about to give you a burning bud that cost about like millions. Yeah, I think it's going to my garden. Yo, what? I saw Ori. Play grow a garden. Are you playing Squid Game? Holy. Yo! I was about to give you a burning bud that cost trillions or millions, I think. Because you need more money, you know.
It's okay.
Okay, whatever you say.
Madami na pera.
You know you can also sell your dogs.
Tawag. Dog na nga lang.
But there's a mouse in your farm. But there's a mouse. You can change. You can pick it up. Look, if there's an arrow pointing at your. If you see one arrow, or see active 3 pets, right? Or pick up your mouse. Pick up your mouse. Then you go to the backpack. Then you will see the dog. This one. Done. Go to your garden. Go to your garden. Go to your garden and put it down.
No.
Man.
Ano to?
Your active pets, the pets that you can only place down is about three pets. But if you trade for about like 4 or 5 slots for the active pets, you can totally put many of pets, like 5 or like 4. So if you trade your dog or your brown mouse for it, you could probably get extra space for your, yeah, whatever it is. Ow! Oh, see? You see this expand garden? You see? Look. Tita, if you see the name expand garden, you have to pay about 250 million. 250 million shekels. But right now you have 0 shekels, so you have to restart. Ah! Ouch! Stop!
That will go bigger.
Ouch!
Time out. So, take a deep breath. Ready?
Wait, what is it?
Simple nga.
It's not a pimple.
It is.
Are you sure it is?
Oo.
Let me see.
Uy, bakit nag-i-slow na dito yung Alfred? Anong gagawin ko?
Yes.
Yeah.
Anong ginagawa ko?
Why? What happened? Can I see? It's because that's the weather. That's the weather.
No, it's okay.
Huh? Yeah, it's okay. Yep, it's okay because it's the weather. Oh, ikaw na. Ah.
Ganang malalim.
Yo, Pepper! Is it done?
What's your monkey?
Get tissue. Get tissue. Tissue.
Uy, tissue!
Ano sa'yo?
Tissue!
Bakit?
I got the pepper seed! I got the pepper!
Ang rainbow garden? Ang rainbow garden.
Pepper seed! Now let's go to my advanced. Yes, bro.
Ano pa yung bang laro dito?
There's a different game. There's different more than game. How did you even do that? Is it even that easy?
No, I'm still talking.
Ah! 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 Oh, my arms! My arms! Oh, wow! Oh, my arm! My arm! My arm! I swear, if you do that another time, stop! I
So
said,
we have to get Kuya Michael sprint.
Kel! Bad!
he's breaking my arm!
Ay! Tayo dyan na, Markel. Tama na. Yung mata mo namumuno na. Stop na. Stop. Your eyes. Stop. Markel, stop na.
Point, point.
Target mo na yung ano, charger. Tignan mo yung mata mo. Tignan mo. Tignan mo. Tignan mo sa salamin.
Hmm?
Tigil mo na yan.
Whoa, what? Not doing that.
Tigil mo na. Tanggalin mo na yan. Uy, nakikinig ka? Tignan mo muna yung mata mo sa salamin.
Wala naman.
Tignan mo mabuti.
Ay, dropan natin yan.
Tignan mo mabuti. Sige. Akala mo nagbibiro eh. Ito ka na roon.
Ha?
Matulog ka na. Ay, naku talaga naman.
Trying.
Markel!
Oh, what?
Ay, God.
Nakigal ka hindi. O papaano ko yan sa mama mo na kuha ko na yan.
Okay, finish.
Matulog ka na roon.
Uy. Hindi, libre na pala. Tulog na tayo, tulog na. Ta!
Markel!
Yes. Yes. Why your hands off?
It's dark now.
Bye.
We will sleep na.
Say good night na, Ate Kate.
Good night, Ate Kate.
Good night. Sleep ka na rin.
Okay.
Ligo ka muna, uy.
Okay.
Nak, ligo ka daw muna. Sabihin mo maligo siya, bilis. Niligo na daw. You're smelly na daw.
Wala, hindi talaga makakapal.
Ay, wag na. Okay, sige. Turn off ko na. Babay na, Ate Kate. Ayaw maligo nung isa.
Okay.
Markel!
Okay.
Ano, naliligo na tayo? Okay, masakit. Masakit!
Okay.
Wala, dyan ang nanay mo. Hindi mo na mahahawakan yung tablet mo. Yun yung sabi ko sa'yo.
That's the name. I said. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. doing it. Stop doing it, bro. 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 Stop doing it. Let's go, Suey. Let's go, Suey. I never do this. I never do this, Suey. I never do this.
Miguel.
Hello.
Madaling araw din flight ko, same. Good night,
So,
Snow.
tomorrow, yun mo. Michael, tama na, please.
Tomorrow, I think
Stop.
be here.
Please stop.
Tomorrow, I think
Coffee.
be here, okay?
Tulog na. Ikaw parang buong araw ka na naka-tablet ha. Wala ka ng tablet bukas ha. Easy. Easy. Oh. Ayaw ko talagang huminto.